box trunk, and today we're going to do a simple tutorial just on the square knot. I've over the years developed my own technique for tying the square knot, which actually helps me keep track of where I'm at when I'm doing the square knot. This one is actually going to use an S shape, and what I do is I've also noticed that when you're doing a square knot, the left cord really doesn't pass back and forth, and the right hand cord does. So I developed this method to actually make things a little simpler, especially when I'm working with longer cords, so it cuts down on tangling. And so this is how it goes. So first I make an S shape with my left cord underneath the central cords, and with the right cord it comes under the loop created on the right hand side, over the top of the central cords, and goes back down the upper loop created on the left hand side. And you see how your cords overlap almost in like a figure eight fashion. You just pull them up to the top and tighten them, and then with your remaining left hand cord you lay it over the top of the right hand cord, which is currently on the left hand side, bring it back over and over the central cords and back down the remaining loop on the right hand side, and you pull it up to the top, and there you've completed a square knot. This method also helps you keep track of where you're at in your square knot. Have you completed it? Did you do the left side or the right side? It's all a simple enough step to where it should help keep you keep track of where you're at. So again, it's making a simple S shape underneath the cord, and with the left hand cord, and with the right hand cord you're coming up and from below the loop on the right hand side and going down the loop on the left hand side. After pulling your cord over the top of the center cords, you pull up, you tighten up your knot to the top, and then with your left hand cord you're going over the top of the right hand cord, and the right hand cord is coming back over the top of the center cords and going back down the remaining loop on the right hand side and pulling up again, completing your square knot. So I hope that really helps. See you again later. Thank you.